Okay, for part D, your x and your plus 4, they belong together. They belong together to form the denominator. So before we start, or the very first step is to bracket them together. Then I want to remove the denominator. So I need to multiply the entire bracket. When I multiply the entire bracket, I must multiply it to the left, I must multiply it to the right. So when I multiply it to the left, it will cancel away. It will cancel away the denominator. When I multiply it to the right, I must multiply it to everything on the right. Okay? So this time I must treat x plus 3 to be together. Because x plus 3 is the right hand side. So I will have x plus 3 inside a bracket, multiply x plus 4 on the right. Okay? So my next step will become 6 equals to x plus 3 multiply x plus 4. Because when I multiply this bracket, I am multiplying it to the entire right hand side. So the entire right hand side means I must put x plus 3 inside a bracket. Okay? Then I will have to do my expansion. Then put everything together. Okay, this time round, instead of moving everything to the left, actually I can move this 6 to the right. Then I will have 6 come over become minus. Because why I want to do this? Because I want my x squared to be a positive number. When my x squared is positive number, factorization also easier, or use my formula also easier, rather than I have a negative number. Okay? Then, the next step, I can put everything, just switch their sides. Okay? And this again is a easy number to factorize. Easy number to factorize, I will factorize. X plus 6, x plus 1. Then end up x equals to negative 6 or x equals to negative 1. For sure. I finished already leh. You got follow or not? You got listen or not? You know why when I multiply over my x plus 3 is inside a bracket or not? Because you never listen. I want to multiply the denominator, that's why I multiply x plus 4. The same bracket, I want to cancel it. But when I multiply x plus 4, I must multiply to the right hand side also. When I multiply to the right hand side, I must multiply the entire right hand side. My right hand side got these two terms. So when I multiply this to the entire right hand side, that's why they must be inside a bracket. That's why I have this bracket. If you never put the bracket, then wrong already. Okay? Because I'm multiplying it to the entire right hand side. How? Can or easy? Huh?
It's not difficult, it's never the same.
Yeah, lor.
But it's not different. But I know what.
My x plus 4, together they form the denominator. So they belong together. So every time I see fraction, the numerator or denominator got more than one term, I must bracket them together. Okay? Then I don't want my x to be inside the denominator. So I want this entire bracket gone from the denominator. That's why I need to multiply this entire bracket. When I multiply this bracket, it can cancel away the denominator. So I no longer have this denominator. Okay? But I want to multiply, I must also multiply it to the right hand side. Because I want to continue to have an equation. Left, same as right. I multiply anything to the left, I must do the same thing to the right. Then when I multiply this bracket to the right, x plus 3 together is the right hand side. I need to multiply this to the entire right hand side. That's why x plus 3 is inside a bracket. Then this x plus 4, when I multiply, remove this one already. So left hand side left with 6. Then right hand side have this. Whole right hand side multiply by this bracket. Then from there I can do my expansion. Put everything on one side so that the other side is 0. Then I can solve this quadratic equation. Follow? E. Screw up. Hey, copying no use. You must listen, know why I write each step.
No, I know after today I log in.
Wow, after today. The why of me writing is more important than what I write.
Oh, really?
Hey, they playing with each other's shit. Why both go? Oh. Hey, you're playing with each other's shit. Why go so long one? Ah. Ah. For sure. Why? Okay, done. I go to E. Okay. There are two approaches to solving this question. I show you the first one first. What is on the left? The left is actually a fraction plus a fraction. So if I want to add these two fractions together, I need to find common denominator, and also minus 3 minus x, they belong together. I add my bracket. X plus 1 belong together. I add my bracket. Okay? Then fraction plus fraction. Common denominator. 3x and 6. The lowest common denominator will be 6x. Because if I multiply by 2, 3x becomes 6x already. If I multiply by x, 6 becomes 6x already. Okay? Hey, why are you looking at lingeries now?
Where?
No, meh? Oh. Ah, there? Why I see?
Send me.
Ah.
Then because I buy for interval, right? Hello.
Okay, if I add the two fractions together, I will be left with one fraction. Okay? Hey, why you still looking at your revealing clothes?
Where?
Hey, then now you see, for sure also looking at all the...
Is that for men?
Huh? Really, man? Oh.
What else I know?
It looks more just like two pieces of cloth, eh? Okay, once I add the two fractions together, I will end up with one fraction on the left. Okay? Then if I don't want fraction, I don't want 6x to be in the denominator, I want to multiply 6x, I want to multiply 6x. 0 multiply anything, also 0. So I am left with the numerator. Okay? So that is why I can remove the denominator. In the end, I am multiplying 6x across also. But 0 times 6x is 0. Then I can simplify. Minus 6 minus 2x plus x squared plus x equals to 0. Then simplify further. X squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0. I also can factorize. X minus 3, x plus 2. Then x minus 3 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to 3 or x equals to minus 2. Okay, please really go back, finish up your page 51, 52, 53, and all these questions that we have gone through today. Okay? So that will be your homework. Finish up until this question.